Welcome back to John Cleese Cardio. My name is Max and today I'm sat in a 2016/17 Ford Fiesta. Now this vehicle was coming because the customer wanted an upgrade from the factory stereo where he now has a touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly. So without further ado, let's have a little look. So this is the beast of a display that's been installed. This is the Pioneer Evo 950. Now this is a wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto display. It's got all the features from a radio that you would generally ever need while out on the go in the car. You've got your DAB, you've got your phone connectivity for your calls, your music, and wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. No matter what smartphone you got, you're covered. So having a little look around the Apple CarPlay, which I've just hooked myself up to. So you've got a nice 9-inch responsive screen. Tapping onto apps is real nice and smooth. You've got Google Maps as a form of navigation. You've even got like Apple Maps and Waze as well. You've got music apps such as like Spotify. I don't personally use Spotify. I use Tidal as that's got the best quality streaming music to it. But it's real nice and easy to play whatever music you want. And yeah, real nice Apple CarPlay if you haven't used it before. Really just helps integrate your phone in a nice and convenient way. But Apple CarPlay looks a little bit like this, so if you've had Apple CarPlay before, you'll be very familiar with it. Just this is a nice 9-inch display, so it's large, it's big and easy to see. We actually fit this stereo in with a single DIN fascia on this particular job here, and we keep the steering controls working so customer can turn up and down his radio, skip tracks all from the wheel, and you've got a little microphone, if you can see that, it's just in the top there. That allows everyone to hear this customer nice and clearly when he's on the telephone. Also, you've got volume up and down on the side of the radio here. And you also got a Siri button, which is helpful for pretty much anything, whether that be make a call, text, send a message, set a reminder, anything. This is the home screen of the head unit where you've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, digital radio, FM, Bluetooth and phone connectivity. Going into the DAB radio, I'll just briefly show you. Looks a little bit like this. Just crank that down, don't want any copyright strikes. So DAB radio, pretty self-explanatory use, but you've got your list down the side there. You can save your 6 presets. You can have a total of 3 different sections of presets, and so 18 in total. And yeah, it's nice and easy. Just simply press your finger on here. Just take a few seconds to load, and then it's going to bring up your DAB stations, and then you can pretty much just pick whatever station you want to listen to. Let's go for a bit of Capital Extra, one of my favourite stations. Once it's playing, which it is in the background, just got the volume quite low. Let's just say you wanted to save it on a certain station. Let's replace Virgin Radio. Hold it down, Capital Extra is now saved. That's as easy as saving a DAB station. And that's what the DAB looks like. FM looks very similar, although you're probably not really going to be using that anymore. You probably use your own music and Apple CarPlay. But yeah, just a little look around the sides of the head unit. There is a display up there. You have to block that on these head units, so that just sits behind there but doesn't really show any useful information. All this customer's navigation instructions, map control, music control is all in front of him. And yeah, that is pretty much everything for this brief video from John Cleese. Thanks for watching. If you've got a car, even if it's not a Ford Fiesta, you want to get this screen fitted into, get in contact with us and we can make you a quote. But thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.